Hi, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters, and we have a dandy today. Buckle up. We're going to be talking about pipe damage. So, let me give you a background. Years ago, it was thought that cast iron pipes would last 75 years or longer. Today, what we realize, they last 35 to 50 years. So, in 2016, many claims and lawsuits were filed, a lot against Citizens Insurance Company. Citizens was the #1 insurance company that had the most pipe damage claims and lawsuits filed against it. If you remember, we also saw all these attorneys creating radio and TV ads about pipe damage and have websites, pipedamagelawsuit.com. So the insurance companies are not just going to stand idle and let everybody attack them and come after their money. Of course not. So what do? The insurance company did a few things. Number one, Citizens in 2018 changed all their policies. Must be nice, right? So what they did was install language to say anything related to pipe damage, any damage from pipes that were broken, cracked, exploded, no coverage, nada. We won't pay a penny. Other companies followed. Other companies then lowered what they'll pay for pipe damage. So what we see common is $10,000 limit for any pipe damage claim. Some are even going lower than that. So you gotta love the beauty and the power of the insurance lobbyists. So there are two main arguments. It is number one, they cry about wear and tear and the pipes being old. That argument's kind of weak. It doesn't really go anywhere. The second argument is, in the insurance policy, and I'll paraphrase, the insurance policy says they will repair where that specific pipe was broke, essentially. So here's the exact language. The policy only provides coverage for the costs necessary to access and repair that portion or part of the system that caused a covered loss. Let me give you a prime example. Let's say you have a bathroom that underneath the slab, the pipe broke or cracked, and it caused an overflow of water throughout the entire house, substantial damage. The insurance company is going to say, we're only going to pay for that little bit of pipe under that bathroom slab floor, and that's it. We're done. We're sorry about all the other damage, but we're not paying for it. For me, that's not a good answer. And there's ways we get around it. So, and I'll show you a specific claim. So one thing we do, and I won't go into everything, is we'll work with you, the property owner, ask you, have you seen drain lines slowing down? So water builds up and it takes a little bit longer for the drains, for the water to go down the drains, whether it be in your sink or bathrooms. Have you noticed an increase in roaches? Roaches love water. If you're seeing an increase, there's probably more cracks in the pipe from corrosion. And then we'll also ask you, have you seen an uplifting of your floors? And there's several other things we'll ask you about, but those are just some of the things. See, normally pipes just don't break out of the blue. So I'm already anticipating that there's a high level of corrosion. So our argument basically is this to the insurance company, and there's more detail to it, but what you want to do is put a Band-Aid on a system that needs to be replaced, not repaired. So we believe you're responsible for the entire plumbing system, all the floors, the walls that need to be broken into, and any furniture that needs to be damaged. So here's a prime example of specific pipe damage claim. This is a client we represented. This pipe right here was in the kitchen, high level of corrosion. It's basically corroded. If there was a number 1 to 10, this is a 10 as far as corrosion. The insurance company offered $11,000. We settled it for $109,000, and the insurance company fought us the entire way. They mostly relayed on the second argument that we talked about, which is we'll repair that little part. So they only want to repair this part of the pipe in the kitchen. We did video, we did other certain things I won't get into in detail, but we proved that there was corrosion through the entire plumbing system and got that entirely paid for her, the floors and all her other damages. So this is what happens when you have a good public adjuster that knows what they're doing. So if you have any pipe damage issues, we'll take a look at your policy and we'll discuss it with you. Any other type of property damage claim, I'd be happy to discuss that with you too. And I'll leave it on this with you, is that if I can't help you, I'll lead you in the right direction to get you the help, because I'm not a big fan of the insurance companies. And so I'm all for helping the little guy and help at least lead you in the right direction. So give us a call if you have any questions regarding property damage claims. And I know this video was a little bit long, but I thought sometimes these videos are helpful and it educates people and it helps to give you an understanding of, from the insurance company's point of view, and how we get around those arguments that the insurance companies make. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for other videos like this. Thank you.